Hello everyone, welcome back to Amapiano Zone UK. It's 2025, I think. It's 2025. So without wasting time, today we are making quantum stance. I don't know what quantum stance is, but I just know it sounds like this, or I'll pretend it sounds like this. So I'll just play the beat now for you guys. So that's pretty much the track. Let me know what you guys think. Just continuing on, just trying new sounds and just trying to make things hit as hard as possible. But expect a few more different videos. I'll be changing my approach a lot this year. But no, you guys don't care about that. But we'll see you on the next video.